Hello guys, I'm back again. I'm going to be replacing the brake disc rotors because I'm not really happy if I just replace the brake pads. So the brake rotors in the back is kind of wear out already, so that's why I bought a new one, which is this brake rotors here. This is brand new, and I bought a pair. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that now. I bought some brake cleaners as well. Let's watch. I'm just gonna leave this jack under here as a support. Yeah, so just for the safety. Check if I get the correct size. Hopefully I don't wanna come back again. And for the comparison, that's exactly the same they are there. It's just slightly bigger. Pretty sure it's the same. Take it out first, and that should be easy. I'm just gonna knock it out with a hammer, just to free it from the rust. Yeah. I hate this when this happens. Just every time I open this box, my tools, just the sockets going everywhere. Release the e-brakes. Oh yeah, it's released already. I've done that. Yeah, just make sure it's released, otherwise it's gonna be difficult for you to take it out. Yes, caliper off because it's still clamped with the rotors. These bolts here, it's sporting mill. It's good that this brake disc bolt doesn't require you to do the bedding. Apply some anti-seize. So for that, next time that we need to remove this brake, you cannot have a problem. Don't put much, just enough. Anti-seize. Just go around. Yeah. Around here, especially the corners. Not too thick. Don't put too thick. Try to clean this area as well, so it will be, because this is gonna be against this new rotors you put in. So every time you change with the brand new ones, you have to clean this area. I'm gonna torque it down later. I'm gonna do the other side now.